Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2016 Harley-Davidson Freewheeler, with 3,163 miles, passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, cruise control, and reverse. It's been upgraded with a windshield, passenger backrest, and a luggage rack. The Freewheeler offers thrilling performance on the stability of 3 wheels, and unlike its larger Grand Touring Tri-Glide sibling, the Freewheeler is stripped down and built for joyrides. Powered by a 103 cubic inch V-twin motor, the Freewheeler puts 85 horsepower and 104 foot-pounds of low-end torque through a 6-speed transmission. It weighs in at 1,047 pounds and has a 27.5 inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased a CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.